Hello everyone, so here is the solution for question of the day posted on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram handle. So let's check out the question. A wire bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 484 square centimeter. If the same wire is bent so as to form a circle, then the area enclosed will be. So basically here in this question, we have to find the area of circle. Now let's start with the solution. So first of all, a wire is taken of some length. Then in the first statement it is given as this wire is bent in the form of square. That means a square is formed by using this wire. So basically what we conclude from here from the first statement is length of wire is equals to perimeter of square. Next, coming to the second statement, it is given as if the same wire is bent so as to form a circle. That means again this wire is used and this wire is bent in the form of a circle. So that means length of wire will still remain the same and length of wire will be equals to circumference of this particular circle. So we can write down length of wire is again equals to circumference of circle. So this is the relation between the length of wire, perimeter of square and circumference of circle. By using this we can find out our final answer. So let's start with the given things here. First of all, area of a square is given. So area of a square is given as 484 square centimeter. So from here we can find out the side of square. So area of a square, we know that area of a square is equals to side square. So we can put the value over here. So this is equals to 484, which is equals to side square. So from here we get the value of side as under root 484. So from here we get the value of side as 22 centimeter. So now we know the value of side of square. So now we can find out the perimeter of square by using this side. So this is equals to perimeter of square, which is equals to 4 into side. So now we can put the value of side here. So this is equals to 4 into 22 centimeter. So from here we get the perimeter of square is equals to 88 centimeter. And here we have already seen that let us mark this as A. In equation A we have already mentioned that length of wire is equals to perimeter of square. So that means from here we can write down length of wire is equals to 88 centimeter. So that means now we know the value of circumference also, which is equals to 88 centimeter, right? So we know that circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. So circumference of circle is equals to 88 centimeter, which is equals to 2 into pi, taking the value of pi as 22 upon 7 into r. So from here we can write down radius is equals to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Now we can cancel 88 by 2, so here we get 44. Again we can cancel 44 by 22, so we get 2 here. So radius is equals to 2 into 7, which is equals to 14 centimeter. So now we know the radius of circle, so we can find out the area of circle. So area of circle is equals to pi r square. So taking pi as 22/7 into radius, which is 14, so we can write down 14 into 14 here. So we can cancel 14 by 7, so here we get 2. So this is equals to 22 into 28, which is multiplying these two, we get 616 square centimeter. So we get the value of area of circle as 616 square centimeter. So here option C is the correct answer. So I hope you've enjoyed the question of the day. We post such interesting question on our social media platform every day. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also for solutions, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.